Welcome to Nari Sakhi. This is Lakshmi. Today we are making winter special vegetable soup, but I'm not adding corn flour. I'm adding Bajra flour to this, which is really good during winter season. So let's get started.
So all my chopped vegetables are ready for the soup. Now we are going to make this slurry and keep. I've taken bajra flour, add water to this, and make it a very thin consistency and keep it aside. This will help bajra flour to cook very nicely as we are soaking it in water and keeping. Take some butter, add green chilies and ginger. Finely chopped ginger. You can add any herbs of your choice here. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we are going to add the vegetables. Stick to seasonal vegetables because seasonal vegetables are very healthy. So here I am adding cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, green peas. I'm adding peanuts because I like the flavor, that sweetness of peanuts in my soup. So you can add either soaked peanuts or raw peanuts. Rinse them with water. So here goes some corn, and saute it very nicely until they sweat out. We want that flavor in the vegetables, and when you saute it, it will remain crunchy and it will cook also very easily. So saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add water. I have all the ingredients in the description. Allow it to boil, and once it's boiled properly, we are going to add this bajra slurry. Bajra is very good in the winter season. In summer season you can do the same soup with jawar slurry. So I'm adding broccoli towards the end because I don't like that mushy flavor of broccoli and the smell when it's overcooked. You can add broccoli before also. Paneer, that's for my because my daughter likes paneer, and it tastes good also, paneer. So give it a boil after adding all this. And now we are going to do some seasoning with salt as per your taste, black pepper, and some cilantro. And once it's boiled very nicely, I usually add the lemon juice when it's cooled down a little bit or before serving, because once I put up the gas stove, then I add a lemon juice. So now I'm going to add some lemon juice and serve this soup. It's very tasty and very healthy. Do try this and let me know your comments.
It's so creamy with the Bajra flour and tasty.